Cassie, why are you crying? Why nga? Why are you crying, baby? Why? 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 You don't like the rain? Why? Why don't you like the rain? It will be too hot if it's always sunny. You know? Oh, why don't you like the rain? Cassie, you tell me, why don't you like the rain?
I don't like raining.
Why? Why nga? Why don't you like it? Don't you feel fresh? So fresh, right? Oh, what do you like? Hot or cold? What do you like? Oh my goodness. Look at your face. Why don't you like rain? Why don't you like rain? Cassie. Ah? Why?
I don't like it.
Why? What's the reason? Why?
Because I want to go outside.
Or you can also go outside even if it's raining. You can use the umbrella. You can wear boots. Oh, it's nice to play under the rain. Why you're crying? Look at the plants. They're all happy.